Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. We're at the Hanover Buffalo Bayou, and I want to show off this gorgeous N floor plan. It's the N floor plan, and it's at the Hanover Buffalo Bayou. It's on the 18th floor. Look at this beautiful kitchen. It's just gorgeous, and look at just the windows and all of the views of the city that you'd have here, even on the 18th floor. And there's floors well above this, but the 18th floor is just spectacular. It looks great, and you've got so much space here to work with. I mean, look at all the space. You can have this table. You can have additional like buffet like this. You've got space for a couch, a sectional. You've got all of this seating up here. You really can have, I'd say pretty easily, about 10, 12 people, no problem up here. It would be like no problem at all. So you've got all this here. It's just beautiful. And then you've got the two bedrooms, of course. So the bedrooms here, there's the bathroom. That's the guest bath. It's very pretty. The guest bath does have a really nice walk-in shower. Love seeing that. And then you've got this beautiful bedroom here that's just gorgeous. That's the secondary. And then let me peek real quick for you into the master. The master looks great too. The master is just delightful. Just beautiful, actually. Just a gorgeous. That's a king bed. You've got some beautiful windows, and then the master bath is delightful, dual sink, and it does have the walk-in shower and the tub. This is a delight. It's a perfect high-rise experience here at the Hanover Buffalo Bayou. Hey, if you have any questions, or if you're ready to take a tour, you can start with a virtual tour. That's the best thing to do. It'll be on your iPhone. We'll set that up for you for free. It's part of our free service. Send me a text. Just use the number below. Or if you're ready to actually see it in person, we can set that up as well. Look forward to hearing from you.